Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I didn't do it since like a long time. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Fiona and I'm French and I do video on YouTube. I share everything I want to share with you and I hope you like it. So today I'm back for a new video, which is my shoes collection. When I made the video, I just realized that I have pretty much pair of shoes. So in my shoes collection that you're going to see different pair of shoes, as I freaking love sneakers. I also love having some high heels. I love winter boots. I love some summer's shoes like sandals and stuff like that. And I have also two pair of dance shoes. So if you're ready to see every pair of shoes I have, let's go! That was the video and my shoes collection. I hope you like it and let me know in the comment if you are a sneakers person or a high heel person, like what kind of pair of shoes you prefer wearing in life. I'm maybe a bit more sneakers person. Since I'm wearing high heel every day at work, I feel I want to be like without heels or high heels on the other days, but yeah. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I will see you very soon. Bye!